Welcome to Jmanns Locksmith, your 24/7 trusted locksmith in Arizona. Locked out? Need new locks installed or rekeyed? Jmanns Locksmith is your go-to solution for fast, reliable, and affordable locksmith services. Whether it's an emergency lockout, lock repair, key replacement, or security upgrade, our mobile locksmith team is available 24/7, ready to help when you need it most. Plus, we proudly offer special discounts for veterans, seniors, and repeat customers as our way of giving back. Call us anytime, 928-581-1957. Email, jmannslocksmith@gmail.com. We're here 24/7, secure your home or business with confidence today.